Okay. I'm bored, Jenny. Are you? Yeah, just a little. Hey, I got an awesome idea. What is it this time? Let's go shopping. Ugh, not shopping. Come, let's go. Oh boy. Well, this is the first stop. Yay, electronics! Okay. Let's look around. Oh, I got that phone. Miss. Yes. We want all that stuff. Yes, all of it. All of it. Okay. That'll be $10,000. Here you go. Okay, thank you. Woohoo! Dollars. We'll come back for it. Next stop. Yay, clothing! Oh man. Hi. I'm gonna just look around. I'm gonna shop. Shop till I drop. I'm already dropped. Okay. Ooh, I like this sky. And the shoes. And this. Is this for sale? No. Okay, that's it. Okay, your total is $1,000. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, wait. Yes. I want these clothes for my sister. Okay. 10 more bucks. There you go. Woohoo! Put it in a bag for me. Jenny! What is it? I got all the stuff. It's gonna be in a bag. Here's your bags. Okay. Well, let's go home. Let's go home now. Okay. Woohoo! Bring the bags. Oh, I'm not your maid. Thanks for watching. No, me.